Stuck trying to automate Jira but can't find the API token? Here's exactly where to create one in under 2 minutes. We'll go from your Jira dashboard to copying your token. First, open your Jira account. All right, so let's start from your Jira dashboard. This is where you see your projects and boards. Now, look all the way up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. It's probably a little circle with your initials or a picture. Go ahead and click on that. From that drop-down menu, you want to click on Account Settings. This is going to take you into your personal account area. This is the same place you'd go to change your profile picture or your email, so it's not immediately obvious that API tokens live here too. Once you're in Account Settings, look at the top of the page for a row of tabs. You'll see things like Profile and Visibility, and then right next to it, click on Security. This is where all the important stuff lives. Password changes, two-factor authentication, and yes, your API tokens. Now, scroll down a bit on the security page. You'll see a section labeled API tokens. This is exactly what we're after. Go ahead and click the button that says Create and Manage API tokens. And here's the thing, Jira is going to ask you to verify your identity first. This is a security step, which is actually a good thing. It means nobody can just walk in and create tokens on your account. So a verification code will be sent to the email address associated with your account, which is usually your Gmail. So open up Gmail in a new tab. You should see a fresh email from Atlassian with the subject line about your verification code. Open that message and you'll see a code, usually a mix of numbers and letters. Copy that code to your clipboard. Now, jump back over to your Jira tab where it's asking for that code. Paste it in. You'll see a little spinner or progress bar while it verifies. This usually only takes a few seconds, so just hang tight until it confirms. Once your identity is verified, you'll be taken to the actual API tokens page. You'll see a button that says Create API Token. Click that. A small window will pop up asking you to name your token. Give it something descriptive, like automation or home assistant, or whatever tool you're planning to connect. Something that makes it easy to remember what it's for later. Below the name, you can set an expiration date. By default, it might be set to never expire, but for security, I usually recommend setting one. Maybe a year out, or whatever makes sense for your project. You can always create a new one later. Once you've got the name and expiration set, click the blue Create button. Now, this is the critical moment. Jira will generate your token and show it to you on screen, but only once. You'll see a field with the token and a copy button next to it. Click Copy to save it to your clipboard. Then immediately paste it somewhere safe, like a password manager or a secure notes app, because once you click Done, you will never see that token again. Go ahead and click Done. And that's it. You now have a fully functional Jira API token ready to connect to any automation tool you want. You've gone from being stuck in account settings to having that critical piece of the puzzle in hand. Well done.